Welcome back to Tech Wisdom 101, friends. Are you ready to chat with your device?
In this video, I will be sharing with you how to talk to your device using iPhone,
iPad or other models of iPad.
and other Apple devices like MacBook.
Yes, it can talk back. Say hello to Siri. Activating Siri is as easy as calling a friend. But the friend looks like artificial intelligence. Press and hold the home button in the center or on the side, and when Siri pops up, start talking. Or for the latest devices, say, "Hey, Siri." It's like calling an operator for help, but there's no waiting time. So you may be wondering, what can you ask Siri?
Anything.
Like asking for today's weather.
Or play some music of your choice. Or the recipe for apple pie.
Or even telling a joke. Try it out. Just remember, Siri is here to help. It's not snooping on you, or costing you extra cash or subscription fees. It's like having a helpful friend in your pocket. And no question is too silly for Siri. Let's look at some real-life examples, shall we? Maybe you're lost. Just say, "Hey Siri, where is the nearest McDonald's?" and you need directions. Perhaps you want to set an alarm. "Hey Siri, wake me up at 6 a.m. for your early morning flight." Last, you can even ask Siri to remind you to buy milk.
Hey Siri, remind me to buy milk on my way home.
That's all for today, folks. You're doing great. Remember, technology is a tool, not a chore. See you in the next episode.